Hey everyone, Toa Akayashi here. Today, I got something really cool. I got something really cool in store. I finally got my Linus Tech Tips LTT screwdriver. I got two. One for the black shaft, one for the silver shaft. I don't know which one is which yet. I haven't opened it, but I've been waiting for a while. Been waiting a long while for this nonsense. Oh, okay, so this is the black shaft one, baby. Look at that shit. That's wild. That is cool. That is nice. I completely just threw down. So I got the black shaft one completely for display purposes because it was limited edition. And I felt like I had money. I felt like, hey, what the heck? I was inspired, bro. I was inspired. It's crazy. I actually have it in my hand. This is wild. This is insane. I kid you not. I have been waiting a long time for this shit. This is not a video about the LTT screwdriver. It's not. I just wanted to know. I wanted to know if it was a good screwdriver. Today we're actually going to be we're actually going to be rehinging my doors. This bad boy. We're going to be changing the nails inside of here if they need to be changed. Apparently, it's harder to kick your doors in if you use long wood screws. Yeah, so something like these bad boys. You know what I'm saying? So, if they're not long like these, I'm gonna change them. I don't want people kicking down my doors, no siree. Not today. Not now, not then, not ever again. You know what I'm saying? Okay? I put this bit inside this thing. Try taking it out. It's a good. That is a solid magnet. That is wild. That is awesome. Okay, let's check this out. Let's see what kind of screws we got inside my walls. Let's see what we got. And would you look at that? Would you look at this? These are the kind of screws that they put inside my doors. The good thing is that we can replace these nails one by one. I just gotta switch between a Phillips and a torque. Bro, you guys really just gave these things in a box? Like, come on, you could give it a little bit more compartment. Nice. Okay, it's time to get the long screw, baby. Okay, this shit don't work, bro. What the fuck? Okay. Oh, this is what it's supposed to feel like. I was tripping, dog. I was fucking tripping. Bro, these doors. These doors are never getting kicked in, bro. Yo, the people after me are fucking gonna live it the fuck up, bro. They're gonna be in solitude, bro. This shit is for believers, bro. Damn, that was wild. Bro, come on, the clicks, bro. It's wild, bro. It's wild. Dang, man. Yo, you guys gotta check this shit out. I'm serious. I'm serious. I'm giving you guys a close-up. Wait, we may be running out of time. I think I only got 2 minutes left on this disc. But I'm sure we got enough time to unscrew this screw with the LTT screwdriver. Oh shit, man! You see this shit? I ain't letting go. It's a ratcheting screw. Bam! Oh well. Bam! Whoa! What is this? It's a screw. It's a screw. It's a screw. It's been screwed off with the LTT screwdriver. You guys want to see this fucking magnetism? Huh? Huh? Oh. Hey. Right now we got the last set of videos encoding on my computer right now. I can't wait to see how old and home recordy these videos look, man. Ooh! Guess what's working? Guess what's working? The LTT screwdriver, bitch. Look at me. Screwing away. Wait a minute, I don't need...
Come on, you could give it a little bit more snug compartment.
Bruh, it's got a compartment to hold all the bits. I'm putting these bits inside the screwdriver now. Like a fool. Like a defeated man. Good old Phillips, bro. Good old Phillips. My favorite. My favorite. Guys ready to see this shit? You ready to see this shit? Ah? Ah? Bro, let's go! Okay, I'll tell you what. Could your screwdriver do this? Huh? Could your screwdriver do this? I don't know, I'm just proud of it, bro. Proud of my LTT screwdriver. The first hinge, baby! See that shit? Look at that hinge. Look at that hinge! Don't you play with me, dog! Ain't no one kicking that hinge out, dude. It's not. Yo, it's your boy Toa. Look at this hinge. You see this hinge? This hinge for bitches. That hinge looks like it can get kicked down. I hate these hinges. This don't keep me safe at night. I don't feel safe at home with these fucking hinges, bruh. Now, if you come down here with me and you look at these hinges, and you see how bitch made these hinges are? You don't feel safe with this shit. Fucking magnets, kinda strong. That makes me feel safe. Makes me feel safe at night. Not these hinges though. Fuck this shit. That's not safety. Now this magnet's really strong. You see this? You see this shit? And it's still on this shit. That's the fucking magnetism of safety, bitch. The screw ain't for bitches. It's for men. Screwdriver is handling it like a champ though, bro. These nuts. Fucking taking it like a goddamn champ. Shit, fam. Like, I've never... That's crazy. Yeah, man, I'll tell you one thing. I'm rough with my equipment, man. I'm fucking... This is some hard screwing, bro. This is the screwing of a man. Oh shit! Ain't no one fucking taking this down, bro. I'm a believer of the LTT screwdriver now, man. That was. I got 3 doors I want to do this for. So, I'm doing this for my room, doing this for the bathroom, I'm doing this for the front door. And we will have a safe apartment. Or at least safe for me. Shit. My dog! My dog! Are you telling me that you got bitch hinges? You gotta do something about that. You see, one day I decided I didn't want no bitch hinges. So you know what I did? I used the right bit. That's what I did. Made sure that bit was big enough to take out the bitch screws. Boy! Damn, man, what the fuck? I guess I'm going, I don't know, man. Is it just like straight stud or something? That's fucking crazy. Yo, the lightest tech tip screwdriver is enough to withstand two-handed screwing, bro. That's awesome. I'm proud of this shit. I'm happy I dropped the fucking money. You know, there are screwdrivers that have died before making it to this point, man. Fucking died. But this bitch, he's going strong. Wow, that is awesome, dude. This thing is legendary. This is a goddamn beast of a screwdriver, man. I hope you guys have been doing good. I really do. I've been doing pretty good myself. I've been going to the museum more often in Manhattan. Any kind of museum. The MoMA, Museum of Natural History, the Met, the Metropolitan. Those are my 3 go-tos. I really enjoy going to the museum. I went to the Museum of Modern Art for the first time in like 3 years a couple months ago. And I never really pictured myself as really like a modern art kind of a fan. You know, abstract art when it's like paint splatters and shit. I didn't really care for it. But now that I'm older and have seen much more viewpoints of the world and am learning to understand different ways of perceiving, I think abstract art is starting to grow on me, you know? You start to see things that you wonder that the creator of the artwork have seen inside of their own piece, you know? A 2D canvas with a 3D world on the inside that you're exploring all on your own. You wonder if they've seen that too. What kind of energy those kind of paintings have. It's pretty cool, man. There was this one piece that caught me off guard when I went to the Museum of Modern Art. It was I think it was on their top floor. And I was reading the little description panel. Like in the Museum of Modern Art, they have like these like small descriptions, either about the art piece or the artist or the time that the piece was being made by, you know, something to accompany it. And it mentioned that this piece, you needed to stand close to it. So I did. I stood really close to it. And it was when I did that, and you were looking straight into the piece, it looked like you were standing in front of the ocean during sunset. And I'm like, bro, That's wild. That's the power of abstract art. It made me realize that I shouldn't. Well, I realized this a while ago, but it was a good reassuring that rather than dismissing something, you should give it a chance and try to understand something that you don't understand. If we don't do that for each other, then we'll never grow together as a species. That'd be a tragedy for us all. But you know what ain't a tragedy? The fucking LTT screwdriver! Let's go! Look at this shit go! Oh, this thing is going in! Bam, son! That's the second door.